me say Ghana has a woman. Ghana ha. Politics mo. NDC MPs no. Just say ebimo enim guasie phobia no so mo. I am very sorry, Mr. Mo fan chame, but I asema e was a mekan. Na endra me mamoti asie say say President Akufo-Addo eko Parliament House. Say woko eko address the nation no. NDC for amfa ebu amma no. Wo hye se ne Ghana mamre tie se bo penni kasa e wo se wo tena se na wo tie no wo mo sori ye efri president nenim na tell say 7 previous and don be say wo mo kata president ne say de wo dey back abeka no 7 previous and enkwasi asem na NDC for MPs mo na mo sie mo ama reasons a lot of reasons and that reason am dey bro no say o mo ye film wo mo a lot of reasonings enya he mo ama mo reasons enya he no problem etiefo na yesi NDC for wo mo so nfi ho ko wie ye no president bi wie ya wo ko say MPs na say wo mo chi aba say wo mo ba beje jolo because the AC NSS president ba no be kase wi a MPs ni na ye nua jollof na ye mo into the ye package jollof fine near the other things aka ho etiefo na se mo boycott ye wi no mo ko ananka munko fie na ka munko fie mo wi a what say mo chi aba emra president na free ho what say mo chi aba se mo be ji jollof any drinks a Ghana ye friend item 13 assemble ni eni ngwase sembe kreni tese president the same previous and sema wo beka ye nia ye nim say or addressing the state no mo antina se ntie na wo wie ye de ne jollof and jollof for president numunti ye de brem no eno de jollof no same previous and ho de mu go fu jollof no mu it's Ghana the ben na Ghana ye be so ya tese yenti assembly a ebe ye woma NPC na asa wa logo line wo mo kwa kwaji wo mo jollof yi assembly kreni attempted NDC for eto le bia wo NDC for ne kra wo mo ma o che say wo mo asem kra enye de wo mo asem enye de se me kwakoke say NDC 2020 elections mo forget ya yes hey me MPP ni yes me MPP ni na so mutumi ye nyema bi e ma ni gumu a NDC for no mo hu ani mo ase e die kreni very hilarious very hilarious na etiefo the AC here and say the majority leader I friend no honorable Osechi Mensa Bunsu okokasa e wo BBC so na eho e na tell say wo ma BBC fo ne kra tie ase say nkrofo we ya wo bubu efu say wo mo sori akọ no BBC fo mu nim say wo mo sori ko wie ya wo mo tie say ya ba be cheche jollof e wo Parliament House no wo mo say wo mo chi e ba so wo mo be chi jollof I was already making jollof and drinks. Hey! Oh, Dabi. Now you see I get jollof, kebab, any drinks. Just say yes, I can take you pampa in pam item. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jollof, kebabs and drink. Como se o mechi basa wo mo beji jollof, kebab, any drink. Kebab, the kebab that never Ghana has say. Can it be by ya kebab unsem? Kebab as on to pay our Parliament House. Hey! Oh, David. Media. Nanka wubufu. Say wo boycott no. Nanka why the one boycott. And that. Me mamoti asiye say. NDC for na wo move fi hono. Wo mo kwa akotena na wo mo offices. Na wo mo ahwade ne wo TV so. Na me menya prophet. Na me kan no. Etiefo. Monko Joy FM for. Wo mo Facebook page wo bo so wo ma post picture to wo Joy FM for journalist echo NDC for wo mo fi Parliament House wo wie ya wo mo ni akosese wo mo office no Joy FM journalist echo NDC for the office. When we call our office no MPC and etina say a when we show TV share na Akufo-Addo a kasa wo TV so na say wa hwe asema meka no eno na eda ho yi wo ye na da na fe hu se mubu efu ende Akufo-Addo na so wo wie ye no na ka wo wie ye no de ko fie na ko ye obi bi ni ehu say yes what work out what boycott ade no totally. Na wo de wo play wa akoti na wo office e na wo san so hwe wuti na wo office hwe wie ye enya nte ye se ya baba be chiche jollof no why you fast say wo kwa akoti jollof no I say men crazy very very hilarious. Na the chairman supposed to know asema wa sanso kata say was see even though the NDC opted out of having anything to do with President Akufo-Addo's State of Nation address, most of their MPs, instead of going home, stayed behind and delightfully partook in what is generally referred to Ghanaian parlance as item 13, the food and drinks served after an event or occasion. Or see, they didn't boycott the kebabs and it's in my moment and I said, "Where is Redodo?" What's me dear, na committee say boycott no, na get total boycott o. Any question what to say, ye check jollof no wasan so akosa wo koje that be total boycott. Or see it here, they didn't boycott the kebabs and the drinks. They participated fully in taking the kebabs and the they participated fully in taking the kebabs and the drinks. They only boycotted the sessional address. The people of this country should be mindful of the kind of opposition we have. I say with the emissary. Emissary is I say when you're Austria, then I don't know. Hey, yeah, other man kai SHS. I say me social studies teacher catch me. Was who no oyobi a woni ne sister ekumpa ne san se wono won ware ye ni nti no enwumre bia eya wo ko ne sister fie na wa kwa kodidi na woni ne sister ko saa na eya na ne sister fie se o ene me bra akun nti no e bia eduane na manua no me ma no nti oba ya na wa catch me sister ne say hey me ni wo na enya ntokwa o enya me ni wo eduane na enya ntokwa so after me na makai Emma na me wo SHS1 social studies teachers after you no ka chere me o si wo no de woni wo enya ntokwa woni we dia ni nya ntokwa ye nti NDC for the same thing no wo mo the president enya ntokwa na so jollof ni pan de da bi hwe mi bu ngo fu jollof no ngo di dan what be that hwe obi be ka say na MP no MP mo amu wo musika jollof na mu tumi nto masa item 13 de me ndi agro item 13 emma na yewo university no ye kwa program emma na yewo konti unity hall ye program ebia the executives hall executives no ehia students ni wia e was say ye ma wa item 13 because obi a wo university bi anim say school ni ye program ye after the program ye ma item 13 e was say ye ma wa item 13 na wo hwe konti ye be 2000 na eno ho item 30 no obi anim say eduane no endu 2000 wo mo be say that the eduane be 300 aba into what we need dey no na obenya eho na obe university for as common as a year coco obo say university for to twede wo ho because item 30 obi be ka say shapon for coca one city untumi enfa wa usika ento coke 1 city e was say we to twede wo ho na obo say item 30 ne dey ba forget you eya no more forget class we mu uska eya no more forget free food share especially when you know the food is good forget it. This is a typical example me wa media nanka wo boycott nanka wa boycott bibia nanka wa therefore this is the opposition we have in this country chewadwen ewo Eti mo be share mo try ma your comment box mo why we da say